Flower of the musk thistle, apple seed in the palm of your right hand. Before me as you stand, you turn toward the mountain, though your gaze stays locked. Your eyes look dark down as you talk. You say your heart is a mindful thief, red as a copper leaf. So look now to the mountains and take my hand. Run me through the sagebrush fast as you can. Weave me through the indigo. Follow the lark sparrow. And dear, do you remember me as a kid when I asked you if you saw me and you said you did? My heart was a handkerchief, red as a copper leaf. Flower of the musk thistle, apple seed in the palm of your right hand. Before me as you stand, darling, take a deep breath. Here we are. Look how low the jay flies. Look how far his heart, like a wizened chief, red as a copper leaf.